Hello guys, so today we are going to test this bee swarm macro mobile. Very safe, it's like macro but in mobile. Let's go set this up first. This is very good if you don't have PC. You can go AFK overnight using this. Very safe, been using it for like months now. It works like a real macro but better. You can change what macro pattern you like. It doesn't drift or anything, works very good. Now let's go try the face bubbles. This is OP. If you got SSA. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.